Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been like missing in action for like the longest, but a lot has happened. I had a baby in August, so he's 5 months right now. I decided, to kind of take a break from social media just because, or not really social media, but YouTube to be specific, because I just wanted to focus on my family and my pregnancy and stuff like that. So I kind of wanted to give like a update and like story times on what's been going on, what I went through during my pregnancy, even after, like postpartum, after having him and everything like that. But now that I'm in a better space, I felt like it was time for me to pop my face back on here. So on our family channel and this channel, my channel, we will be getting that back started. So yeah, I'm excited. So today I decided to start it off with I'll say like a Sam's Club haul, because that's where the majority of the stuff came from. But I did go to Target. It's Black History Month. So so I had got us a few more outfits. I got me and my husband outfit, well, not outfits, but a few shirts that's Black owned the other day. And I went back today and got the kids some. So yeah, I didn't know they had the kids section, but today when I was walking through, I saw they had kids shirts. So I was like, oh, let me check that out. And they had some matches. So we about to take some photos. So hopefully the photos is taken. But anyway, the first thing, because I stopped at Lowe's first, but I had to go back because I got the wrong filter. But my fridge water filter, this fridge right here, the water filter is done, it's out, it's empty. So I had to change it. So I got this brand. This is not the brand that's in there. It's like water filter brand that's in there, but I got this because they didn't have the water filter brand. So right now I have that, have it in here. I have this on top to keep it in the water because it said it's supposed to be submerged. I don't know. So we're just gonna see what happens with that. Let's get into the video because I feel like I'm going too much into everything. We're not gonna say that for a whole nother video. So I'm gonna start with the drinks. I got some Welch's juices. This is the juices they take to school. I don't get the kids Capri Suns anymore just because I don't personally like it. I feel like you can't see what's inside of it, and all these Facebook posts and all that other stuff. Like, if I can't see what's in it, I'm not giving it to my kids. So these juices, you can see the inside of it. Anything that's clear, you can see the inside of. Gatorades, that's what they get. I don't care how expensive it is. We ain't doing the Capri Suns no more. So I got one packet of this, and I got two of the Gatorade Zeros. Oh, this one's not Gatorade Zero. Oops. Then I got the kids' snacks. So King really likes Oreos. So I just got this box because I feel like Ramel might get this, my husband. And then Camille loves these. And then both of them, they need some fruits in their life. Like, I do have actual fruits, but, these was on sale, kind of. They love these. So I got the little bites, chocolate chip muffins. I got everything everywhere. I got a pack of meat that I did not put in the packet, so like blood spilled somewhere. So I gotta clean all this stuff down. I actually spilled on my blush pump. All right, not too much. And then I got 2 packets of Lunchables. So this is their lunches. They don't really like the ham. Well, Camille doesn't really like the ham one, but I can't do King dirty by just giving him the ham. Peanut butter and jelly. I wish they had strawberry at Sam's Club, but they don't. And then I just got a pack of chicken thighs. I got a pack of chicken wings, a pack of salmon, and then I got some Angus beef, right? And then the last one is chicken tenderloins right here. So I'm all over the place, okay? But I got the mixed vegetables and the whole green beans. I like to saute these on the stove. So this is it for the Sam's Club. Now this is the... Sorry, he's over there jumping, watching Gracie's Corner. The Sam's Club haul is done. So this is what I got from Target. I got this for my son. He's only 5 months, but he's big as hell. So this is his shirt. And then I bought my husband this shirt the other day. And I just noticed that they had one in baby. So baby size. So I got that. And then I bought this shirt for myself, but they had it in kids, so I got it for my daughter, so we're gonna match. And then my son, I felt a little bad because they didn't have the black shirt like this one. I was like, damn, I'm just gonna get this. So he's gonna be the, you know, he's gonna be the only one that's not matching, but you know, that's what makes him so special. The last thing I got was I got these 2 packets of shirts for my husband, just black and white. This is what he wanted. He saw on TikTok that these were better than like Hanes and all that other stuff. So we just wanted to try it out. So we'll see how that goes. He said I should have got him a medium, but we all know he's a large. Let me stop this way. This video could have been a lot more organized, but I do have to put the stuff away. And because like I'm on like a time crunch, I was like, you know what, let me just vlog it real quick because I really want to get back into it. So don't mind my hair. I did it myself. So you see like pieces hair sticking out. It's because I was rushing braiding this and didn't nobody had no time to be tucking my hair. So excuse me. So right now I'm just waiting for the water filter to thing for an hour. Has to stay in there for an hour. There's like 30 minutes left. And yeah, I'm going to put all this stuff away and clean up. So this is how I pack up the middle part of the fridge where the kids get their drinks. This is how the fridge looks. Got the white drinks back here, the red ones right here. This is how my freezer looks. So we are meal prepped. I gotta pump some more milk today. I didn't pump at all. Clear up this whole thing in 1 second. I just finished cleaning the kitchen. Well, I'm not finished. I still have to do the dishes, but he was fussing, so I had to get him. But I just wanted to show you guys what I did so far. So y'all just saw how messy this table was. Cleaned it up, put the fruits away, and then I fixed this whole thing so it's not too much stuff right here anymore. Like I said, I had the dishes to do. This whole area still gotta do, but they clean this off. It looks so cute and you know, so nice. Then just an overview. Clean the floor. There's nothing. All the boxes and stuff that have to go out is right there for my husband to take out. Waiting for the kids to get home. They should be here in like another 20 minutes. It's 3:22. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Ooh, my back is killing me. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Y'all will see me in my next video. Peace out.